What's going on, everyone? It's RGBtech back here again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sideload a newly launched IPA signing app on your iPhone or iPad. No PC or laptop needed. This app is packed with powerful features like customization of your installed apps, easy and fast IPA signing, a dedicated built-in app repository, support for importing multiple certificates, and absolutely with no tracking or analytics. And yes, it even works perfectly on the latest iOS 18.4.1. So let's get started. Open the Safari browser, and the first step is to download the Portal app. Visit the website. The link will be in the description. Now tap on Downloads, then tap on Configuration Profiles. Here, download the MadNS config profile. Allow the configuration profile when prompted. Once it's downloaded, close Safari and go to Settings. Now install the DNS profile onto your iOS device. Tap on Install Profile. The main purpose of this DNS setup is to block revokes, ads, and OTA updates. After the profile is installed, go back to Safari and tap on the Portal option. Once you're in, you'll see several portals with different certificates. Try each one until you find one that works on your device. In my case, I'll be using the Continent portal. Just tap Install, and when you get the pop-up, confirm it. As you can see, the Portal app is now being sideloaded. Once it's installed, you'll need to trust the certificate. To do that, go to Settings, VPN and Device Management, and trust the certificate. For iOS 18 and above, you'll be asked to restart your device. Just allow it and restart. Alright, once you're back, you'll see that the profile has been successfully installed. Now open the Portal app, tap Continue, then Continue again, and tap Done. Now let's sideload the Feather app. Go to Downloads, find the Feather option, and again, tap only on the name of the certificate that worked for you earlier. Just like we did with the Portal app, sideload the Feather app the same way. Once the Feather app is installed, it's time to set it up for IPA signing. At the bottom, go to the Settings tab. You'll see there are no certificates yet. Here's where you need to add one. To get the certificate, open the Portal app again, go to the Download section, and select Certificates. Download the zip folder, and save it to the Files app. Now go to Files. Extract the zip, and open the Certificates folder. Inside, go to the Continent folder. These are the files we need. Open the Feather app again. Tap Add Certificate, and import the provisioning file first. Navigate to the folder and select the file. Then import the P12 certificate file. When prompted for a password, enter WSF in all uppercases. That's it. Save the certificate. Now let's sign and sideload an IPA file to test if it works. Go to the Library section, tap Import, and choose to import from Files or URL. In my case, I'll be using the Play app, a PS2 emulator for iOS. After importing, there's one more thing to set. Go to Settings, Server Options, and enable the online install method. Now close and reopen the Feather app. Next, go to Signing Options and enable protection. Make sure it's turned on. Now back to the library. Select the Play app and tap Sign. You can also customize the app's icon or name here if you want. Then tap Start Signing. The app will be signed with a limited time period. Once done, tap on the app and choose Install. You'll be redirected. Select Open in iTunes, then tap Install again. And that's it. As you can see, the Play app is now installed. That means the IPA file was successfully signed and sideloaded to the iPhone. It's really that simple, and it's working perfectly fine. You can follow the same steps to sideload other apps or games using this method. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll also be doing a video soon on how to enable JIT on the latest iPhones and iPads, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe for more updates, and thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one.